Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use SUMIF functions in Microsoft Excel. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So here you can see that I have this sheet here, and the SUMIF function is used when you basically want to get the sum of a specific information only. Okay, so let's suppose that if I only want to sum this product A, which is being sold in this north region here. Okay, so we will use this SUMIF function. Okay, so what we will do here is that we will basically set a criteria for us. Okay, so to do this sum function, we will basically equal then SUMIF. Then first we will reference these three cells which are the sales amount. So we will basically reference this one, then we will put comma here, then we will basically reference our product here. Okay, so it will be A2 to A4. So I will just type here like A2 okay to A4, and then in this we only want to sum the information that is related to this product A here. So I will, in double quotes, basically I will enter A here, capital A. Okay, and then I will basically add a comma here, and then basically in this we only want to show the information, the products that are sold in this only north side. Okay, so we will basically go this like B2 to basically B4 here, and in this basically we will only show north. So just type north here basically, and then just close your bracket here, and you will see that this 100 and this 100 will become 200. You have entered too many arguments for this function. Okay, so I will just check it out basically. So basically this is a SUMIFs function. Okay, so you have to use SUMIFs here, and then you will press like this here, and then here basically you will see the amount 200. Okay, so I don't know that why you are not seeing this amount here basically, but this amount should be here like 200. Okay, so here you can see that we have this mistake here. I will just remove this small a from here, and then basically now we are good to go. Press enter, and now here you can see that we have this 200. Okay, so that how to use SUMIFs function. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.